আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমাদের আজকের বিষয় আমরা কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে নিজেদের পরিচয় দেব। ঠিক আছে, তবে শুরু করা যাক। Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
Thanks, my name is Minhadur Rahab, and you?
My name is Marjit Ruhan.
At which school do you read?
I read in Mountain International School, MIS. And you?
I read in Sunmoon English School.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class 5, and you?
I read in class 6.
Oh, that's good.
Then, what is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing and building new projects, like
Oh,
cars.
that's nice. Very nice. Drawing is very good for mental health and it is very fun to do.
And what's your hobby?
My hobby is giving English lecture to somebody and traveling and reading many types of books.
That's also good, not bad. I think that's a good hobby for you.
Then what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a building designer. And yours?
My future plan is to be an English lecturer or to be an English teacher.
Wow, that's fine. I like this, but I think I can't do this.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with meat or chicken.
Oh,
And you?
I like to eat some types of bread with chicken.
That's healthy for you.
Yes. Then what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue and red. And you?
My favorite color is blue and white.
Wow. For just that can be matched.
Yes. Blue and white is nice color, I think.
I also think that.
Do you like this place?
Yeah.
Mansion?
I like this place. Where do you live?
I live in Mansion, Aqua Bhangapur.
And I live in Mansion Mathurapur.
Yes. That's nice place.
There is many shops of clothes.
And this place is many types of consisting things. Because here are many
Look at
types
this.
of trees, buildings, and extraordinary things from which we can learn something also. Isn't
Yeah.
that?
And natural things are too much in this area.
Do you like tree?
Yes, I like trees. And you?
I also like trees very much. Humans are cutting down trees. That is not good.
For this, the environment is polluted.
Yes.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is orange. And you?
Mango and jackfruit.
Yes. Okay then, everyone, dear viewers, goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Tata. Bye bye.